Wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This time I will give a speech with the title of global warming. First of all, thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me to convey a few words about global warming, which is the theme of this short speech. I believe that most of you are familiar with using the word global warming, which is still a problem in this global world because it concerns human life which, if left unchecked, will have a serious impact on the sustainability of human life. Today I will give 5 effects of global warming on human life. Global warming is a change in the shape of the balance of ecosystem on Earth due to the process of increasing the average temperature, ocean and land on Earth. Keep in mind that global warming will have a direct impact on health, and according to scientists from various countries, it has been revealed that the biggest threat from global warming is the melting of icebergs at the North Pole, and that means it will sink almost a quarter of the Earth's land, which will renew the order of life. There are 5 consequences that are most felt from this world warming. First, the occurrence of climate change. The biggest uh, global warming is climate change. Earth temperature will be warmer. As a result, drought will occur everywhere. Then the increase in temperature on the Earth will cause the change of seasons to become unstable. Second, the Earth poles are melting. The heat of the Earth's temperature due to global warming can cause the Earth's poles to melt. This can lead to rising sea levels. As a result, flooding can occur in some areas. In fact, tiny islands will sink due to rising sea level. Third, agricultural production declined. High heat temperatures can cause drought in some areas. This can cause agricultural crops to stall due to drought. As a result, agricultural production has decreased due to global warming. Fourth, animal extinction. The occurrence of global warming can increase the risk of animal extinction. This is because some animals will migrate due to habitat change. For animals that cannot adapt to a change in their area of origin, these animals can experience extinction. One of the polar bear population that is further reducing the impact of a melting Arctic, and 5 cause disease on humans. The impact of global warming does not only cause the temperatures on the Earth to increase. Global warming can also cause several diseases such as stress, stroke. In addition, dengue fever can also increase due to world warming population. For that, we as humans need to know how to overcome and reduce the impact of global warming, starting with the simple way, namely by doing reforestation, reducing to the use private vehicles, saving energy use, minimizing the use of plastic, using environmentally friendly products, running a lifestyle healthy and frugal. Let's protect and care for the earth so that the earth is free from global warming. Thank you for your me and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.